Whales are amazing. I choose whales because they are interesting. Whales can swim and they are different colors. They have fins. They have big tails. Whales live in the ocean and they live with their family. They live all over the world. Whales eat krill and shrimp. They swim deep in the water to find food. Whales could hold their breath for a long time. Whales do not sleep.
Lions are awesome. I choose lion because they are interesting. They have fur. They have sharp teeth. They have sharp claws. The lion lives in grassland and they live in the zoo. They also live in Africa. Lions eat gazelles. They eat zebras. Also, they can eat cattle. Near all wild lions live in Africa, but one small population exists as elsewhere. Male lions grow impressive means the older they that's all.
This is the solar system. I'm gonna talk about the the planets, and this is Saturn, Mercury, Mars, Neptune, Earth, Sun, Moon, Asteroid, Jupiter, Pluto, and Venus, and this is an astronaut, stars, and even a black hole.
Dolphins are cool. I chose a dolphin because they are interesting. Dolphins are black and white and gray. Dolphins have two fins on their sides. Dolphins have smooth rubber skin. Dolphins live in seas. Dolphins don't live by themselves. Dolphins eat fish and crab and octopus to get their food. They hunt in a group. Dolphins can live up to 50 years. Dolphins never chew their food. They could dive up to 1,000 feet.
Panda bears are awesome. I chose panda bears because they are amazing animals. Panda bears are white and black. They are very soft and they can have babies. They have fingers. Panda bears live in the forest with the family. Pandas are found in China. Panda bears eat bamboo and drink water. They climb trees too to get their food. And amazing facts is that panda bears are loners and pandas like climbing trees and can swim. Pandas will abandon children if she has twins.
The birds are awesome. I choose birds because they are cute. Birds have wings. They can fly. They are colorful. Birds can live in the forest. They have families. They eat seeds. They can live up to 15 years. They eat insects. Also, they eat worms. They use their beak to eat. They have babies.
This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. It has no meaning. And I did this and I put all of those there because I didn't know what to do. And this is a solo. And this is my Arnie. It has sprinkles and I put the chocolate on it with sprinkles that's covered in vinegar. So
so I can dye it in the teeth.
I chose a panda bear because they are interesting. Pandas are cute. Pandas have black and white fur. Pandas have tiny paws or claws. Pandas live in China. Some pandas live alone or live with other pandas. Sometimes they live with their family. Pandas eat bamboo by chewing it. Pandas only eat bamboo. Pandas chew bamboo to eat it. Pandas are amazing because they are cute and interesting. Also, they roll around funny. Pandas are funny too.
Guinea pigs are the best pet because they are so cute and small. They sleep. Guinea pigs can be brown, white, orange, or black. It's bigger than a hamster. In the wild, there can be lots of guinea pigs living. Guinea pigs eat food like in a yard of veggies and fruit. This is an amazing fact. It can have red eyes, and when they do, that means it is healthy and that it could have a baby. Another amazing fact is they eat healthy foods.
Rabbits are fuzzy and cute. Also, they are small. They have big ears and small tails and nose. They live in the world and they live in a big family. They can live cage. The rabbit eats carrots and they also eat grass. They like to eat the carrots. One fact is the rabbit will jump around to express happiness. A baby rabbit is called a kid. Are awesome. I choose turtles because they are interesting. Turtles have feet. They are big. They can hide. Turtles can live everywhere in the world. They eat strawberries and bananas. They eat apples and grapes and cantaloupe. Turtles are some of the oldest animals around. The turtles weigh more than 1,000 pounds. Butterflies are awesome. I chose butterflies because they are interesting. Butterflies have wings. They are colorful. They can fly. Butterfly can live on a flower. Butterfly drink next if found in flower. They cause a down. Butterfly does with their feet. Butterfly can't fly with its cold. Cows are awesome. I chose cows because they give us milk. Cows have 4 legs. They have a tail. They can be black and white. Cows can live anywhere. They can live in farms. Cows eat grass and drink water. They can eat hay and eat seeds. All cows are humans. Cows have no proper front teeth. Cows are awesome.
A long time ago, there was a girl named Medusa. She turned everybody in her town into stone as soon as they looked at her. Her ugly, ugly face turned everyone into stone. This stuff is the snakes. So, the end. Ta-da! This essence. Look at the dolphins. The essence inside their soul. Even though there's just a paper in this cut. But look at this. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful like me.
Panda bears are awesome. I chose panda bears because they are cute and are white and black. Some are small and some are big, and they have fur. It keeps them warm. They live in the forest. They live in China.
This is one of the Candice circles. I really loved it because of the coloring. We used crayon and watercolors. I really liked it because the colors that I used.
T-Rex are the best. They can have 500 teeth and kill any dinosaur. They have 2 legs and have tiny arms to fight. Some have tails and some dinosaurs don't. They live in North America and South America. They eat meat and attack some dinosaurs. They are called Enosaurus. They have strong teeth. The T-Rex is awesome.
Bruce, I put stars and stripes on it because I thought it looked good on him, and it took forever to put him together, and that's it. 5.
There's a volcano and a dinosaur, and the fish is eating ducks, and the volcano is coming out, and the water, and we made a donut. I put sprinkle on the eye and put pink and purple rice on it. Miss Pond colored it, and then we colored the this. We made the leg and the arms. I made the eyes. I put rice on the eyes, and I made this. I made a heart with patterns. I made a planet, a stars, clouds, and a sun. I put a smiley face.
Hi, well, I made this. This is a sun, and also I put a rocket ship, and also the sun and stars and a full moon. And also, I also put the earth because I made it, and also it was very awesome. So yeah, I had a little help. Made this.